mouth. So welcome back to part 2 of the haul. If you haven't watched part 1, then the card is up there. You can go and then come back, or just watch it and then go back. There's no difference. Now first, let me show you this humongous backpack that I got. Like, see, I can't even fit into the screen. So yes, this is the bag that I got. Like, literally look how big this one is. So I got this bag from Baggit, and when I saw this one, instantly I was like, I want this. Like, just look at the color combination. How could I not get this one? And I actually needed a huge one because my travels are not anymore the same. I literally carry this huge camera. So if I travel, I carry this huge DSLR bag with me. I carry my laptop. So the backpack I used to use fits everything, but there's no space for even my wallet in it. So it just gets too congested. So then I spotted this bag and I was like, let's see how this works, and I'll show you how much space this one has.
So here's the chain.
Look at that. It's like a whale's mouth. It has so much space, so I'll just show you. So it has this laptop compartment that is like totally separate, and then look at this. It will like eat it. And then there's so much space left for like all my stuff that I want to carry, and it has multiple compartments inside this. And then there are these two front chains. I love the cute detailing of the chains. And then there is this side safety chain right in here. I love this one. Then I got a lens case, lens and lens solution. So you guys have already seen my lenses, that are those green colored Russian velvet lenses from Olenses. Oh god, they are so good. They look like your real eyes. But I got this super cute rose gold lens case, and this is how it opens. It has the lens case, it has a mini solution thing, then it has a tweezer, and it has an applicator. So if you haven't seen my video on how to wear contact lenses, then go and check it out. So yeah, this one I got from Amazon. I'll again link it down below if you want to try it. Then I got this mini lens solution. This is from Bosch & Lomb, Renu one. I normally use the green one, but like my full bottle is back in Pune, so I got a smaller one here. Then from Amazon, I got this water bottle. Now this is a glass bottle, and I think this is from Borosil or something, or Milton. I don't remember. I'll link it down below. So it is this beautiful glass bottle. Now kind of trying to switch and kind of trying to not use plastic anymore and glass a lot for water or something. Now this is great because, you know, this comes with this padding back thing. So if you're like me and you keep like keeping stuff with a lot of force that don't require the force, then this is good for you, or else like will break the bottom very easily. So yeah, this is a very good purchase. Then last things that I got from Amazon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packets of tea. Now I have lately become this tea person. I always used to drink tea and coffee. They are my jam, especially coffee, and the coffee I make, I tell you, it's better than Starbucks. It is better than Starbucks. Recently started enjoying these tea. Not recently, I've been drinking them for years, but now I got so many more variants, and all of them are somehow from this brand called Taifu. This flavor is called green tea Moroccan mint. I love anything that has mint in it. I am really addicted to these flavored organic teas, and I am getting my family addicted to it too. So these mainly come in. Why does this have a teedly elaichi in it? What the heck? Anyway, so this is my mother's job. It has a teedly elaichi in it, but I love teedly elaichi too. Sorry for that. Anyway, I have a backup of this. So anyway, first one is this green tea and Moroccan mint. So the second one is Taifu relaxing nighttime organic tea. I love this one, and I normally drink it at night because I have this huge problem of relaxing. I can't relax, and somehow from here to my shoulder muscles are always like stressed or something. It's happening more now. I don't know why, but yeah, I have really hard time relaxing. Now one tip, if you're getting these teas, please do not add sugar in it. It kills all the flavor. Normally with any of my organic teas I never take sugar. I like it without sugar. That is the way I have always liked it. If you cannot drink them by their own, add honey but not sugar. Not at all. Then I have chamomile one. This is a calming tea, chamomile flavor. I love the floral and I love the jasmine one. So this is the green tea and jasmine. Then there is this digestive power seeds. Now I love the flavor of this. This has such a beautiful flavor and I really like this one. Then there is slim tea. Now by no way I know that it slims you down or not. I just like the flavor and I like trying different flavors. So yeah, this is the slim detoxifying tea. And the last one is cleansing organic root remedy. So this has turmeric, ginger and ginseng in it. My mother hates it. So all of these have really good properties and I really enjoy them. I'll link them down below. If you want to check this out, just go and check them out. So next few things I got from Nykaa. So I got this Neutrogena sunblock. This is in the mini size and I have been using this sunblock forever. This one and the Nivea spray one. So remember last year I went to Goa in summers and everybody was like, how did you not get tanned? So I used this and the Nivea one both together on my skin and then I set it with the Lakme sun protection powder and trust me guys, there was no tan. Like no tan at all. So I really like this product. Then I got one lip tint from Face Shop. This is the water tint. This is in the shade Pink Mate. Then I got this stippling brush. This is from Pro Art PP16 brush. So I wanted a stippling brush for a long time. So I got this one. This is a good brush. It is a really good brush. And the last product that I got from Amazon was this one. Yeah, this is the Matrix Smooth and Straight Serum. I have used this serum a lot in past. You can see I have not used this because after I got this, I got sent a new hair range and I have been using the serum from that range and I have been loving it. I'll share the video really soon with you guys. And then I'm so sad that the L'Oreal serum released after I got the full bottle of this one. I really wanted to get that, but it was not in India and I did not know that it's going to release. So yeah. Anyway, this is a good serum and it's just boring to use the same thing. But I like this. So I have this huge Sugar Cosmetic box. I got this from Sugar Cosmetic website, but let me just show you the clothings first and then last products will be this. So I got a lot of shrugs, but first one I'm going to show you is not mine. All of these are from Max. So I used to wear a similar shrug back in the day. So I went shopping and I went with my family members. So I got one of these. So they got one of these. So, but I thought of showing this to you guys. It has this nice little belt kind of snitching detail. This is the basic simple shrug. Then there are some normal t-shirts. So this is the t-shirt. It says you are so much stronger than you think. So yeah, it's a beautiful oversized t-shirt. These are all from the basics. I have worn so many of their basics because they are really cheap and they don't dig a hole in your pocket. So this is another one. Really nice. I like the material in this and it's a good one. Then the third one will be this. I love the color. Yeah, it's a very nice one. None of them are mine. But now these two are mine. So I got this really long shrugs. I have been searching for them for a long time. But I did not like the price I was supposed to pay for this, but I got them really cheap. So I got them for 499 rupees only from again Max. So the first one I got is in this beautiful color and this is very long. So I got this one. It has pockets. So yeah, I really like this one and it looks so smart if you pair it up with like a very basic outfit. Sorry for the color change, some glitch camera. So yeah, the same thing I got in a different color. It's in this mustard yellow shade. I really like this shade and it's a very good material also. So but this one does not have any pockets, but it's kind of fine. It's okay. Now let's move on to the last thing. So I got these products from Sugar Cosmetics. I got this beautiful eyeshadow palette and the brush fell down. So I got this eyeshadow palette. I'm really looking forward to trying this product. I've never used Sugar Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes before. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using them. So I got this lipstick. It's the Suede Secret Matte Lip Color in the shade Taffeta Terracotta. I love the name. This is how it looks like. The packaging is pretty nice and I like the frosted thing going on. So I haven't tried this lipstick yet. I will try it on camera maybe. But yeah, this shade is really good and these are made in Italy. Now then I am so mind-numbingly dumb sometimes. I wanted to get a foundation. I could not find any shades, so I wanted to try the cushion foundation. Now, I did get the foundation, but I got the refill of it. Like, I ordered the refill and not the actual foundation. So stupid. So it says this refill, and I did not even read the packaging. I got this product like this. I'm like, why is this half broken? Like, where's the mirror? Where's the sponge? And then I saw it's a refill, and I'm so stupid. But anyway, I got the foundation. Who cares? I hope the color matches me. I'm really scared about the shades, guys. I'm very excited about this product. This is their eyebrow pencil. This is their Arch Arrival 3-in-1 shaper. So I just ordered it because I saw the tip was like precisely my brow and I got instantly excited because you guys know how much I love my precisely my brow pencil. It is so much more sturdier than the NYX pencil. Sugar is doing really well with its shades, and that is why, you know, you should use Indian brands because they will release shades according to Indian brands, especially brands like Sugar, and maybe Color Bar has came out with a lot of foundations I was seeing yesterday. So then I got this purple eyeliner. I really wanted a purple eyeliner for some reason, and I saw this and I got this one. This shade is so beautiful. It's in the shade Purple Haze. This is the shade. It is so beautiful. It has a little brush that actually works. I'm so happy to see that. And then there's the product. Now you can see the bottle is really tiny, but I'm not complaining because I like it. If like when the gel things, the bottles are really huge and you don't end up finishing them and then they dry up, so I don't like it. I like that it's a very tiny little bottle that I can actually use and finish. This is the shade. I love this shade. So yeah, the last product and I'm done with filming. My throat is hurting. So I got this pads free with packaging. I did not order it, but with Sugar order I got this. So this is from a brand called Plush. It says your period of comfort. So this pack has like one light flow pad, one heavy flow pad and one panty liner. This says that it is 100% US cotton, paraben free, chlorine free and fragrance free. These are rash free too. It's good that I get to try a new brand. So these are also cruelty free and vegan. These are the three pads and one panty liner. Oh, so this is not plastic. The outer packaging, which normally is plastic, this is like a clothing thing. Wow, that's good. It is good to carry in your bag, you know, in case you need it or anyone else needs it. I always carry tampons and pads in my bag. So with that, I wrap up my haul video and I hope you guys enjoyed. And I know this was not like a extravagant haul, but this is what I actually buy. I don't buy luxurious stuff every day. These are the stuff that I really buy and not for making a haul. I buy stuff. So yeah, this was a real haul. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys are repurchasing something or if you guys already have something from this haul, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know what you guys like and what you guys want to buy. So I'll see you next time. Bye.